Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, MP3, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2021 Forte. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, keyless start, security system, MP3 player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.